So what I have here is the remote for the RF kit. So you see when I press lock, unlock, everything is working on the remote, but it doesn't do anything to the van. Same as the press and hold to start. Nothing is happening. All right, this is day number 3 after the firmware update on the StarX module. So, and the RF kit remote is still working. So, lock, unlock. Okay. Excuse me. Start. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, welcome to P-Train Productions. Today, what I have behind me here is a 2013 Toyota Sienna push to start or smart key. So this video, I'm going to show you the problem with the StarX remote start kit and the RF kit, and I'll show you the solution, how to fix it. So this video doesn't have anything to do with the installation or programming. So I'm gonna put the video links in the description if you guys want to know the installation procedure and the programming procedure. But just this video just to show you the fix for the RF kit's remote that don't work. What I have here is a 2013 Toyota Sienna push to start, and I have installed a StarX remote starter kit and this two-way RF kit for this vehicle. So everything was installed successfully and working, but then the RF kit remote stopped working after several hours. So I'm going to show you the problem. So what I have here is the remote for the RF kit. So you see when I press lock, unlock, everything is working on the remote, but it doesn't do anything to the van. Same as the press and hold to start. Nothing is happening. So stop, red. Wow, this original fob got no issue. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So, again, 1, 2, 3. Stop. So, I'm gonna reprogram the RF kit again, and I'll come back tomorrow and show you it's acting up again. Power on, 1, off, on again. Okay, look at the lights, turn on, press the brake, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's blinking right now, you see that? So now I can re-register the remote. I press the plus sign and lock. So you hear the beep and it registered the light was on there. I can do it again. So you can see, plus, lock. Yeah, so that means it's working right now. So when you've done the programming, then you can turn up the power. Now the remote is working again. See? All right, and press and hold to start the vehicle. Let's see, and press the plus and start. Turn it up. There you go. So it's working so far. Like I've done it like, I don't know, 10 times already. So the unit's been installed for a week or 2 weeks already, and yes, it's keep acting up. So I contacted the StarX support, and I was told that the antenna needs a firmware update, and I contacted the seller of this RF kit, and the lady who was on the other line, on the other support, saying that she didn't know about the firmware update, and that was it. And she's saying that StarX module need to be updated instead. Anyway, so I'm gonna wait for another day. I'm sure it will stop working again. Then I go to the solution. I'll show you the solution, how hopefully that solution will work. All right, so today is day number 2, and the RF kit remote acting up again. So as you can see, doesn't do anything. Beep beep, but doesn't do anything to the car. And remote start, the same thing. Well, doesn't do anything. All right, so but with my factory fob still working. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So open the door, just shut off. But again, the same thing. The antenna is responding to the remote. There, see the light turn green every time I press the remote, but it doesn't do anything to the vehicle. Well, so here's come to the solution. In order to update the firmware for the RF kit or the antenna, Fortin wants us to buy this. It's called Flash Link Updater. I call it is the red hockey puck. So I had to spend $90 just to get this one to update the antenna. So hopefully that will fix the problem. So what comes in a box is this wire to connect to the antenna. USB cable to connect to the laptop. Yes, in order to use this hockey puck, you need a laptop and connect to the internet. So this is the hockey puck, and that's it. So let me set it up, and I'll be back. All right, so I have downloaded this Flash Link Manager, and I had to create an account with Fortin, and so let's open it up now. Okay, so as you can see, I plugged one end of the cable to the antenna right now. So then this is my hockey puck connected to the USB. So first I plug this end of the cable to my laptop. Okay, so the light three lights are lit up and goes away. So then I go to configuration, I change to special unit. Alright, then I'm gonna plug my antenna, the other end of the cable, to the hockey puck. I'm gonna leave that a camera to do it. Okay, green light is on. Now it comes here. This showing up. So transferring to Pro mode. So I have to switch to Pro mode. So it detects the antenna right now. So here's the information. Hardware inside firmware. Firmware inside is 1.05. Hardware inside 1.0. See, view all the firmware. So 1.05 is there already. So apparently there's no firmware update available for this antenna. No update option for this antenna because it's got the latest one already, 1.05. So I don't know why it's still not working with StarX. Alright, so I have to pull out a panel and check the StarX module itself. Alright, I got this panel pulled back, and I plug the cable to this StarX unit right here. So that's data cable connector, and plug the other end to the hockey puck. Now I'm gonna plug it into the laptop. See what I see here. Just do anything. It's detecting. Let's see. Flash link update connected. It's not detecting the StarX unit. Let's try again. And plug it in right. Should be. Oh, so it's connected. Okay. So this is apparently StarX. Is the same as the EVO-ALL. So it shows over here. It's detected as an EVO-ALL, and somehow this module is set up for Toyota Tacoma. Thanks, StarX. You're supposed to send me a unit for Sienna and a 4Runner, not a Tacoma. All right, so I've changed the vehicle to my particular one, which is the 2013 Toyota Sienna push start, by going over here, click on the vehicle, then select the setting over here and load the settings. And I also updated the firmware to 79.69. So maybe this module needs a firmware update instead of the antenna, because the antenna is already up to date. So hopefully this will fix the problem. So with this being said, I think I have to reprogram the module again. Okay, I'll be back. So this is the screen of the module status right now. So I got it set to Toyota Sienna 2013, push to start, and I have updated the firmware to recommended firmware, and loaded it and save. And so I had to go through the programming procedure again to program the module to the vehicle. Then after that, I had to run the decryptor here for the transfer key data or the immobilizers data from the vehicle to the module. Then after that, then I reprogram the RF kit again. All right, so I ended up doing a firmware update on the StartX module to the latest firmware, and reprogram the module and the remote for the RF kit. Now everything is working now, so lock, unlock, and let's see, try to start it. There you go. So hopefully this firmware update on the StartX module, or the EVO-ALL, which is the same, I'm not sure why. So maybe StartX is just a rebranded name for from the EVO 14 EVO-ALL. Anyway, so it's working right now, so I try to stop it now. Okay, we'll check back tomorrow, see if it's still working or it's acting up again. That's it for now. Be back tomorrow. All right, so it's been 24 hours now, and I'm gonna try it with the remote again. I'll show you it's still working. So I'm standing inside my house here with the van outside. I'm gonna try to unlock the vehicle with the unlock button, and all right, so it's unlocking. Now I'm gonna try to lock it. All right, it's still working. Now try to start. Press and hold. Two. There you go. I don't know if you could hear that noise, but the engine started. And the remote LED would be flashing, telling me that the car has started. There you go. All right, that's after 24 hours. I'll come back and check tomorrow again and give you another update. All right, today is day number 2 after the firmware update on the StartX module, and as you can see, the remote's still working. And start. Bravo. All right, stop. All right, this is day number 3 after the firmware update on the StartX module. So, and the RF kit remote is still working. So, lock, unlock. Okay. Excuse me, start. So that was the problem. StarX module firmware update is required due to a recommended firmware was not loaded into the module. So the fix is I needed to buy a flash link updater and to run a firmware update on the module, and now everything is working. Okay, one installation tip that I wanted to let you guys know, that the StarX module comes with this hood pin and some wires here for you to install for the hood. But if you have a push button or push to start vehicle, and like this particular vehicle, 2013 Toyota Sienna, has a built-in hood latch switch, so you don't really need to install the hood pin because it's already built in. And as you can see, I'm showing you right now, if you have the hood open and you try to remote start your vehicle or this particular vehicle, it won't start. Let me open the garage and I'll show you. All right, so I have the hood open. I'm gonna try to start with the RF kit remote. It's not doing anything. Fail. See? Fail. Rip. So same thing with the OEM remote. 1, 2, 3. It's not doing anything. So, and you watch, if I close the hood, I should be able to start the car. All right, hood's closed. You see? Yep, starting up no problem. So, as soon as you have the hood open, as a safety feature, the engine won't start remotely. So you don't need to use that hood pin. All right, just FYI.